Welcome to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, today I'm going to be talking about your favorite producer, music producer and violence producer, Linval Thompson Jr. aka Sharp Snake. There has been some interesting developments, to say the least. It turns out, and this is very surprising, brace yourself, the gun them catch Sharp Snake with is extra spooky. We ever talk about it? Because the weapon belonged to a police department. A police gun. Now you wonder to yourself, you mean police from South St. Andrew? Police from St. James? No, Uncle Sam police. The weapon was stolen from the Atlanta PD. This was confirmed after JCF and Uncle Sam run them checks and say yes, I hit that, the missing Matic. The missing Matic. Turn up in the possession of your favorite producer. And remember, Uncle Sam is already very familiar with Sharp Snake. After him do a time in a foreign jail and then them ship him back a yard, now them a go hear say one of them missing Matic a him of it. It'll get real spooky. Oh, and by the way, a nationwide news may I read this from because I say when you really know how to go on still, of course you know we have to make up things to get some views, right? But if you actually want to see real news, right, then you can follow it on Nationwide. Next thing we have here is that the little mice who them catch Sharp Snake with ready to accept a theme weapon. Him ready to tell the judge and the jury, the police and everybody say, am I one? Me take the fall feet. I wonder if him know how spooky things I will get. Rest like how our Uncle Sam Matic. You know it guy already. Sharp Snake done page him as him boss, make him know how to go on. You know, give him the fake choice. You know the choice, you want a real choice, but you know him kinda make it sound like say, you know, yeah man, you can't do this and then, you know, plus you know, half my little food. You know it guy already. Take a little money and take the charge. Or the nicer fair one, go road, and then them find you in a one gutter. And do you know why it's so easy for man to say, alright, me take the charge? Because them know say, the Jamaican laws are a joke. 87 know that. 87 know say, once him not have no history, as no known gunman, when him drop before the courts and him plead guilty to it, he might even get a fine. He might do 6 months, he might do a year. This show you say the man them take this thing for a joke. You think say if it was some serious jail time, him rather get bail, right, or bust the case, cause I'm a phematic, and then run me gone somewhere. Right. Now kill them body up, he may run me. But as it stands, because him know say the charge, right, for illegal possession of firearm, right, and the time we will get is very unlikely to be no big time. Right. It actually work out in a Sharp Snake favor if the gun wasn't so spooky and if him never tried bribe a policeman with $2 million. Sharp Snake, after getting bail, Matic, get hold on pan again after them drop a second charge on him. Sharp Snake try offer a policeman $2 million for last the Matic. Remember I'm telling you, say, inside of the system is so corrupt that if certain criminals buck up on the wrong policeman, the next thing you hear, evidence can't find, Matic can't find, or you hear say, man go in a cabinet, right, go make phone call off a phone is supposed to be in a evidence. Spooky, right? But you know why that couldn't work with Sharp Snake? The case do high profile. You see, if Sharp Snake was completely unknown to the masses, then this could have happened. You could have just hear say, Matic can't find. You probably won't even make news, because you know spooky things happen all the time, right? And then because the person surrounded by it, no famous or no known, then you know dropping the news. But you can imagine Sharp Snake go behind bars, and then he come out of the paper say, Matic can't find. It's simple when go down so. So now him have the corruption charge on him, plus the illegal possession. And by the way, those are the actions of a completely innocent man, right? Isn't that what you do? when you're innocent of all charges, offer police $2 million cash. You see, Sharp Snake no say that enough money, a whole heap of money for the average police, but for him under nothing that. So Sharp Snake just say, Squaddy, so on $2 million, make the matic last, it end up backfire, because of that charge, make him still lay behind bars now. Real spooky. And then what gonna happen if Uncle Sam say, you know what, we want to play a lead role, right, in this investigation, at least man for them side. And then Uncle Sam go saying after when done with the matic, get to it, make a track it to see what go on in America, because I know say Sharp Snake did America. Right? And Sharp Snake did live a 87 life in America, lucky, so that's all them charge him for when him go jail. So if Uncle Sam go run ballistics, and then you go hear say, that stolen weapon, police weapon, did go over here so and go over here so, your favorite producer in a even more problem, much bigger than JCF can ever drop on him head top. It's looking real spooky. I know people upset because remember, right, the bad man Sharp Snake over here. He was just a little innocent producer, right, making him redeem them, right, and because, you know, I couldn't make them redeem, right, and I couldn't get the hype and the clout where Sharp Snake have decided to go bad mind him, and or something along them lines. I can't even keep up anymore. You know it go already. Right. Sharp Snake, I could see how this one play out, because I have a feeling there will be a lot more twists and turns. And if you think me bad mind, wait till you see Uncle Sam level a bad mind. Right. For them thing, gone at the stratosphere. Little mice, right. But you jump up but you're ready to take charge and take claims automatic. I don't think you know what you do. Right. I don't think you're ready for some of the more hill and gully ride them are going to come sake of the spooky matic here. And I know Sharp Snake fans them upset. Don't forget to hit the dislike button. Actually, speaking about the dislike button, me say you woke up and forget rid of the dislike button. What in a year? I can't believe it. Come on, you woke, that's too woke. Remember, it's a long time we had to tell people to hit the dislike button, you know, before it was cool. So what me I go tell people say now? What the people them who hate the movement like poison, say them hate me like poison, but still tune in every single morning, hit the dislike button. What are they going to do now? Right? They can't hit the like button. I don't know. I feel like these people need justice. These people need justice. How are they going to get their instant gratification? Early in the morning. What am I going to write the word dislike? Actually, that's not a bad idea, you know. The people, when you walk, take away the dislike button. The regulars them who tune in for dislike early in the morning, never miss a video, write the word dislike. But then, suppose you walk could take away that too. I guess enough content creators that have said them a lose sleep at night time because people are dislike the video. I don't know. But as somebody will come from the era where you'd have to verbally spar, sometimes for hours on end, right? People hitting a little dislike button have no impact on me. If dislike button could have impact or mash up my meds, I'd run left YouTube long time, because when certain videos drop with your favorite celebs or politicians, you can imagine the dislike button might get pressure hard. Have no effect like water off a duck's back. So Sharp Snake fans, hurry up quick and mash up the dislike button, pressure it before it gone. Or before it stops show. I don't even know it will go work. But I really want to voice any frustration. Remember, don't voice the frustration at the criminal producer who kill much people, you know. No. Him a good youth. Free Sharp Snake. Right? One time me and him go and dance and him buy him back and him throw some in my cup. Free Sharp Snake. Plus him make about 5 songs I'm like Free Sharp Snake. Free Sharp Snakes him can come on road. Come help kill off more people. You ever notice in acidic cultures, when known criminals get hold on pan, people jump up, free him. Me and pray for him, them not pray for none of the victim them, you know. Right? Them not pray for not one man when him kill, but them pray for him though. That's an acidic culture. I'ma tell you, Sharp Snake, you see this move with the corruption charge make you stay behind bars. You should be giving thanks, Sharp Snake. You are safer behind bars. You know say the streets hot. And you know say none of this no mean nothing to the man them you are war with. But make we see how it play out. Anyway, Patreon Squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture Squad, stay circling. Bless.